This segment one, I'm calling it email drafting. Okay. Let's start with a task almost everyone in business faces: drafting that critical email. So picture this: you are chasing a delayed payment from a client. You need to be both polite and also firm. So I asked each AI to draft an email that strikes just that balance. First, let me start with ChatGPT's approach. ChatGPT produced a very well structured email that was professional, clear, and had just the right touch of warmth. The message was direct but also empathetic, a perfect blend for maintaining a business relationship. Okay. Now let's come to Claude. Claude's approach. What did Claude do? Claude took a slightly more personal route. The tone was warm and empathetic, almost as if you were reaching out to a friend rather than a client. It's a style that feels very human, although it might be a bit too informal for some corporate contexts. So you have to decide which one you want to pick. And now the third one is the deep seek. I know there's a lot been written about deep seek, and so let's see what deep seek has done. So there is this deep seek which was very direct and concise. Okay, it delivered the essential information without any extra flourish. However, that brevity came at the cost of finesse, making it a bit blunt for sensitive communications, right? So it's too formal, a little bit too direct, and without that extra touch of warmth that at least we saw in Claude and ChatGPT. Again, this is not to say something is good, something is bad. It is just giving you different variations that I've seen. So for email drafting, ChatGPT, again, from my own personal approach and style, clearly led the way with its perfect balance of clarity, professionalism, and subtle warmth. Okay, you have to pick your own. Okay, so there is no one right answer, but as I said, ChatGPT was the answer for me while drafting an email.